UNLV students are creating products that can solve problems and maybe even save lives. Fox 5's Mike Doria shows us what they came up with.
Well, senior engineering students were given a challenge: create something that can solve a real-world problem.
And they came up with some pretty cool prototypes for industry experts to judge. Fox 5's Mike Doria shows us their creations.
All right, good afternoon, guys. Listen, most of the time the bulb goes off in somebody's head when they've got an idea. Well, for Sierra, the bulb went off in her skirt. You're wearing your fashion, but you're sort of promoting what you've just designed here. And what is that?
It's a fire light system.
And so this light system, it's a guidance system. It could go into where?
So mostly casinos, apartments, hotels, even a local school.
Even a home, maybe, or anywhere that's going to guide somebody out of a fire. But you also had another implication for it, and that was, we have a lot of shootings in schools for some reason.
Yes, unfortunately we do. So I thought I could possibly kill two birds with one stone.
And put that lighting system in a classroom, alerting people, and maybe even helping that person who is deaf be able to see the light.
Exactly, to be able to sort of light them the way in the opposite direction. And since it's going to be hopefully as safe as possible, there's going to be the amber light for the fire, and then the blue light is going to be for gun safety, so that way you can sort of be directed and away from the intruder.
And the power for these lights goes two ways, so it can't be cut out in a fire. What you did is you added on to a problem, added on to a solution to a problem you didn't take away.
Yes,
all right.
Exactly.
I like it. We have another one over here too. By the way, she was in the entertainment sort of area of engineering. She found a way to take entertainment and translate it to another field, public safety. Matthew did the same thing, because these drones that you have, you thought, well, you know, great for a stadium hovering overhead. But the problem with drones is the battery life. They die pretty quickly.
That's correct. The drones do die, and typically around a 30-minute battery life is what you'd expect from a typical drone. Whereas if you wanted to use it for something like search and rescue, those types of efforts take hours or days, and you know, a 30-minute drone flyover isn't going to get you much information. Whereas if you've got the ability to fly for hours on end scanning an area, you're going to get a lot more information.
All right, so you're basically taking like what would be like a wireless charger for your iPhone. It's sort of the same thing. You're carrying the two together. You're constantly getting it power.
Essentially, this would our tether would be plugged into like a generator that would be running off of gas and giving continuous electricity to the drones.
So this could be great for a search and rescue. People looking, you know, police or firefighters looking for somebody in a wooded area. That happened back when I was reporting years ago, or over a football game.
Exactly. The wonderful thing about our system is that it's compatible with any drone. So any drone that's using, you know, any number of volts will be able to connect to our system and fly for as long as you need it to.
Once again, added on, didn't take away. Great job. So basically, these guys are now looking to see where these projects can go. There's going to be judging that's going on the rest of today, and we'll see what happens. Best I can say is they've all done a wonderful job. Good luck.
It'll be cool to see who actually wins.
Yes.